Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with the Dollar Tree haul. And I went to 3 different Dollar Trees looking for the sleds. Couldn't find 4 more. So picked up some sinus congestion and pain. I use these a lot. So I got me 4 of them. I stocked up. And then I got some vitamin C. He didn't like the chewables, so I got him tablets. Got me some white yarn. 2 skeins of them. Them are for a future project. Got some puff balls. I need some white ones. I wish I could just find white. I don't want a multicolor pack. I just want white. But, so that's what I grabbed. And then I found the truck ribbon. And I found some material, some fabric. I got the stripes. And I don't even know what this looked like, so I grabbed it. I only have 3 left in the thing, so I'm like, yep, you can come home with me. I'll give you a home. Oh, it's the gnomes. Awesome. That's cool. And they did have the 5-pack of fabric. I found it. I didn't buy it because I don't need it. I didn't care for it after I got it anyways. Oh, let's see. Where is it? I said... Of the fat quarters. Look at that. Yep, 5-pack. I didn't need it, so I didn't buy it. Awesome, I got the gnome one. That's cool. They only had these 3 left, so I grabbed them. The one I wanted in my Walmart, they didn't have. That was the one with the numbers. I would have picked that up, but they didn't have that one. What's this one look like again? Ooh. I know Sabrina grabbed me some of these, but that's the last 3. I'll take them. I went to 3 different Dollar Trees looking, guys. There's only 2 more to hit, and I wasn't going to push my luck with my husband, who's not feeling 100% yet. So, oh, that's cute. That's cute. So I got them, and then I got the striped one. That's cool. So that is one Dollar Tree. All right. Number 2 Dollar Tree. I got some berries. And I got the 2 different colors. Pick me up some more of those little Christmas trees. Those little ones. I got like 2 packs. Couldn't find no red, but I did find green ribbon. And they had the little village stuff. So I got like the little, I don't know if this mailman, the little Christmas tree, Santa's mail. Look at, guys, the camper's green this year. Last year it was red. I got 1 of them. Actually, I got 3 of them. 3 of them. I use them in my crafts. So I got 3 of them. And then I got the little sled, guys sledding, snowball fight. And I got the little snowman, the little sign, and Santa. Them are for projects. That is the 2nd Dollar Tree. Alright. Oh, this is from the 2nd Dollar Tree too. Alright. So I actually went backwards. The 3rd Dollar Tree, the 2nd. Here's the 1st Dollar Tree. Oh, dropping stuff. I know I bought this cork stuff. I can't find it. I've looked, so I was like, hey, I'm here and grabbing it. I needed it for a project the other day and I couldn't find it. And I bought this little snowman ornament, and he lost his arm. Maybe it's, and his eyes are coming out. Maybe it's on the floor because I dropped him. He'll be his armless, 1-armed snowman. Well, actually, I'll probably take him out anyways because what I have plans for, don't worry. And I bought this. I don't know if I have it already, but oh well, if I do. And I'm addicted to these bows, so I bought another pack of them. And bought some nighttime liquid castles for fever, headache, sore throat. The 2 of them. Oh, I thought put this in Riley's stock, and it's JoJo or whatever. But it's a cup, a toothbrush, and a little cover for the toothbrush. I thought that was cute for $1. Got me red. in green, the last red and the last green. And then they didn't have this type at the first Dollar Tree. So I bought this type. So I got them. Picked up these little berries, garland, and got me some bells. And I found this. Oh, it's got a smudge. I'll fix it. Man, it gotta look better. Got that. And I got me some ribbon. I got this one is a little different. It's got the truck and the dog. I grabbed me one of them. Little snowman, and then the candy stripe, I call it, and then the checkered. That's the Dollar Tree. Oh, and I got some little bells. I'll put this back in a bag for now. I'll put it all away later. Except I'll put the medication over here. I got that out of snowman. He's missing his nose too, damn it. Well, thank God I can doctor things up, hey? Sorry about my language there. Oh. Oh, cute little trickle then. Oh, look. Love it. I only had one roll of those. I was happy to find these. I had the hoses, but I didn't need the hoses. I just wanted the little things to craft with. Alright. Next one. Walmart. I bought this for David's girlfriend. That does a cool little Christmas present. And I don't know if that what it is. The straw, I don't know what the Christmas tree is, but got the cover. I think I got her one of those last year. I'll have to ask Donna. So if I got her one of those last year, I'll give that to somebody else. Bought the little trucks at Walmart. So I got 2 of them. Then, oh, look at this truck I found. Ain't it cute? I only found one. I'd have bought more than one. But that's in my tree. Little lopsided truck. Kind of bent a little bit. I've got to fix them a little bit. Okay. And I needed these. These are going to go on my sleds I did this morning. Yep. So I bought 2 of them. And then I bought 1 pack of them. I was almost out of them. So, got that. Man. Look at this, guys. I can't believe this is only $10. Ready? Look at this. $9.97. Super soft plush throw. Look at that. It's got the nice and fuzzy. It's gonna go on one of my couch or love seat or chair for Christmas. So everyone love it. $10 only. $9.97. I couldn't get over that. Oh, there we are. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. Cut that out and use that. $9.97. Ain't that cool? Love it. Matches my pillow I bought. Yeah, $9.97. I was like, whoop, in the cart. Yeah. And that is all, guys. That is my Wolfman shopping haul. Now I'm home to stay. Got an oil change in the truck. Went to our nephew's. He doesn't own it. He works for a company. Take 5 it's called or something. And he gives us his family discount. So 25% off. Works for me. So I will talk to y'all later. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. I am. I'm going to put my stuff away, organize my stuff. Maybe I'll go live. I don't know yet. So I want to thank you for watching. It's my Walmart and Dollar Tree haul. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.